Hong International Airport information Zulu 0928 Zulu. Expect ILSDME approach. Runway 09 in use. Wind 270. At 06. Visibility 3,500 meters. Haze, cloud, few 1,000 feet. Broken 10,000 feet. Temperature 19er. Dew point 13. QNH 1017 hectopascal. Departure frequency 124.7. Contact ground 121.94. ATC clearance. Attention all aircraft. SIGWIT 5. Northeast of Taipei. FIR. Moderate to server ice. Between 4,000 and 9,000 feet. Moving to the southeast. Speed 5 knots. Inform Goshong approach. Or tower on initial contact that you have information Zulu.